Hey, what's up everyone? Do you know on iPhone 15 Pro Max or 15 series phone, you can take small size photos without compromising the picture quality? Well, in this video, we're going to show you how to enable HEIF Max on your iPhone and take high efficiency picture. Now, this process will also work on 14 Pro and Pro Max. Now, for that, go to your phone's settings, scroll down for camera. Tap on it. Go to formats. Now, although high efficiency is auto enabled on your phone, just make sure that it's enabled. Scroll down a bit and then toggle on ProRAW and resolution control. Go to Pro default and here just select HEIF Max and that's it. Now go ahead, open your camera. Now whenever you want to take photo in that format, just select it and take a photo, and your high efficiency smaller size photo will be ready in just a click. So how many photos have you taken in that format? Let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching.